Hey everyone, here's a review for the Piel Frama Brown magnetic closure case. Piel Frama, these cases are made in Spain of high, quality leather, handmade by Spanish artisan leather makers. This is the nice brown case. A little card about Piel Frama. There's a little chamois cloth for the screen. Just take your iPad, put it right in. It's really firm, snug. Access to the camera, home button, spots to put brochures or letterheads, business cards. And as you can see, access to all ports. And don't know if you heard that, but when you open it up, it's a smart cover. So as soon as you close it, screen goes off. You can get this at ieverything.com for about $139.